Hello to all my gorgeous people out there. It's Amina over here. Today we are doing something different. I'm gonna call my husband and ask him to buy some things for me because apparently he says that I need a change of clothes. So let's call him. So guys, here he is. Okay, so how would you describe my wardrobe in 3 words? You can be honest, huh? Don't need to lie.
Indian, Indian, Indian.
Like, okay, that's partially true. But other than that, how will you describe it? Boring, like that type?
Yeah, it's boring.
I'm just going to see how his taste is, okay? So we are just heading. I don't know where he's going to take. So let's just go. This is what happens when you come shopping with your husband. क्या करूँ मर जाऊँ? So why are you not finding anything? वाह, क्या बात है. Actually, it's pretty, huh? That's not boring for you? Okay. So we'll get that. What about the pink? Pink also looks nice. Actually, it's beautiful. It's very see-through, but we don't want my mother throwing us out of the house.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Yeah, I can just wear a shrug or something. You like it? What about the other ones behind? Like there's some blue and all. You don't like the green one? It's very pastel and very nice. You like this? Nice. So this is one of the dresses he has chosen, but it's very tight. Like it looks like something like this. It's nice. It's like a very good evening gown, but too tight. This is out of the three. This is the one dress that actually fits, and it's. I don't know how I feel about it. It's nice. It's like it's. I don't know how to feel about it. As I said, it looks kind of good. Not bad, but it just has no shape. I think I need to tie this up. I can't do it with one hand. But he also doesn't like approve of it much. So you know what, we're just gonna like change into what we have and see other stores. By the way, I haven't shown you guys what I am wearing right now, what I wore at game. I wore this dress. It's a very beautiful fit and flare dress, and I love the sleeves. I love anything which has this kind of sleeves, like bell sleeves. It's my favorite, and this is what I'm wearing, and he calls it Borin. Excuse me. So we got like two stuff from there, the beige gown, also the green top. Now we're heading to H&M to buy tracks for him and seeing something else also for myself. What am I going to wear it for? Party? Okay, find my size. I'll wear it and see. How do you like this animal prints? There are so many animal prints, and I love animal prints. So we ended up not liking the H&M thing because I don't know, H&M is not my jam. Yeah, I don't like it. I like Max better than H&M or anything because the dresses should be reasonable, okay? A, it is very, very expensive. B, their style is not my style. So, going to Max. Isn't the same thing that we saw in H&M something similar? क्या वो कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है? So guys, we didn't get anything from Max, but we did come for lunch, and I told him like get your own stuff and I'll get my own stuff because we end up fighting on this point the most. So of course I've got Taco Bell because one of my most favorite restaurants. So waiting for the order to come, then I'll show you what I got. So guys, I got Taco Bell and he got his dal roti as usual, and I got him a taco as well and a little bit of merinda. So what's our next plan?
Go home.
And you just want to go home and do nothing? What about watching a movie? What movie do you want to watch? So now you got me new clothes, and now what is the next plan? To change what in me? My clothes are not that boring, okay? I wear good clothes. It's just that, I've got married and I really don't know what to wear, how to wear. And so yeah, I mainly have shalwar kameezes, a lot of them, because my mom, before even I got married, she has been collecting a lot of shalwar kameez and I got it stitched, thinking that after marriage I'll be having to wear shalwar kameez, but lucky me, my husband doesn't want me to wear them. So we got a little bit of like 2 dresses we got, western clothes, and we'll be heading back home. So guys, there's a detour in the plan. We are not going home directly. We are going to my grandfather's house, which is where I used to live before, like right beside here. We have come to Express Avenue Mall, right? So my house is right near, like walkable distance. So actually my mom had ordered a clock in Amazon and she by mistake put the delivery address of that house and not the house we're residing in now. So I have to go collect it and give it to my mom. And before that I have to go to some store to get a shoe rack, because apparently my shoe rack just collapsed. I realized that if you're going to keep those attachable kind of plastic shoe rack cases, it's going to like collapse. So I want steel or stainless steel kind of thing which can hold it better. And because Shoaib has a lot of I can't breathe. Shoaib has a lot of heavy shoes which he wears to shows and everything, and he cannot keep it anywhere, so you have to keep it in the shoe rack. No? So, what did you get? Show me. Popcorn. Did he pack it? Did you get one for us? Did you get one? One big. So, my parents and we are going to share that. Did you put masala? I'm just telling them the plan, the detour of the plan. So, what else? You said something you were going to do for me. And I'm like, how are you going to do that? Because you never do that. And by the way, he's a very clever and cunning boy. He told me that all this is my pre-Valentine gift itself.
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
I'm searching for that. Where is that?
What?
Your bath and body.
He remembered. I reminded वो पीछे चला गया नीचे. अभी कैसे जाएंगे हम लोग? पार्किंग जा रहे हैं ना. CD down. What is CD? What is CD down? I can't walk after I've eaten so much. After marriage, this is your life. Center table and onions. So guys, I came to my house and we finished shopping, and that was a fun day. And we had a good time, mashallah. If you like this vlog, don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I love you all. Bye.